What's going on? I'm Pace Morby.
I'm Jamil Damji.
And this is The Real Deal. So, actually, I'm Jamil and he's Pace. But the reason why I'm talking is because we're doing a project for a good friend of mine, Brian Warfield, also known as Bobby Coleslaw of Fisticuffs Music. If you don't know who he is, if you like Janae Aiko and Miguel, he makes all their music, and that's pretty dope.
You know what's really cool about this is that he lives in Los Angeles, and these guys helped him source the deal.
Yep.
You guys are helping him coordinate the construction.
Correct.
And you guys made sure he was buying a good deal.
Yep.
And you guys are going to probably help him sell the deal on the back end as well.
Yes.
Who's going to list the property?
My sister. But she does it for nothing.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Amazing.
she's just, it's friends, you know, like we're just trying to help the dude out.
So you guys are a one-stop shop.
Yep.
So what's really cool about this is you can be anywhere in the country, obviously Los Angeles, and you can be flipping houses here locally in Phoenix. So many people are afraid of jumping into it. They're afraid of, how do I underwrite the deal? How do I fund the deal? How do I do the construction? And who ends up listing the property at the end of the day?
So let me just jump in there because you mentioned funding and all the things. So we helped them source the deal, lined up the hard money loan, lined up the insurance. Essentially, all he's doing is signing papers and wiring his down payment.
This is what's cool. So I remember when he was out here a couple months ago.
Yep.
You were touring him around the city and just showing him what you guys do.
Yep.
And he's like, man, I'm making all this money and I should be investing in real estate. Can
Yeah.
you guys help me? And you guys were like, let's go.
Yes.
And you guys immediately are like, we will handle everything all the way through the
Yeah,
process.
I mean he's there making beats, helping people
busy.
make babies. Yeah, I mean if without Bobby Coleslaw, there's an entire gap of children that won't be born, right? Like, come on, let's
Yeah.
start. It's bump and grind
Guy's
music,
busy.
right? Yeah, he's busy. He's busy helping people get busy. So,
Yes.
with that said, let's check it out.
Let's do it.
All right. So here's what I love, Pacer. Look at the tile in here. It's fantastic.
Yeah.
This is just a regrout. I would do nothing.
Okay,
to
so
this tile.
I haven't ran the comps on this. Did you look at the comps? And
205 ARV.
Okay, 205 ARV. What do you think about the renovation? You don't think the tile needs to be redone?
No, not at all. We've kept tile like this multiple times. It's great tile. It's clean. The only issue I see here is the dirty grout. So we regrout the whole thing. We freshen this up, and it will look brand new when it's done. We'll change this carpet out. There's probably not tile under this carpet.
There is not.
So we're gonna put a new. This is called a toupee carpet, right? So we're gonna just change the toupee.
I like it.
Right?
I think the reason for this is a second-story condo.
Yep.
Right, so I think the reason for this carpet is that when you put your couch here, and this is probably the most high-traffic area.
Yes.
You don't want your neighbors underneath hearing every footstep. So
Correct.
having carpet here is a super smart thing to do.
Yep.
Couple things in this first room. The things that I noticed that are really inexpensive fixes are right here, Bobby. Check this out. See these yellowed outlets, right? And if you pop around, you'll see some other yellowed outlets. For a couple $100, you can have all brand new outlets, and it makes it look nice and crispy. So this truly is one of those like carpet paint, super easy projects. This is lipstick
on a pig. I would put new AstroTurf out here, so it's brand new. Look at this, man. Washer dryer hookups out here. So this is a big plus for condominium owners when you have your own laundry, right? So, and I don't know what the condition is of this, but I imagine it is in good condition because
the washer and dryer.
There's lint here, right? Yes. There's no lint without a working dryer. So I think
look
that
at the view of the freaking pool.
You get a view of the pool. It's
you
amazing.
almost could just jump right off here.
Yep.
Dawson, do you think you can make it all the way from this balcony?
I'll give you $100 if you jump. I swear, joking. So I pay your workers' comp. So here we've got what I think is an amazing looking kitchen. These cabinets are perfect.
Oh, yes.
This countertop is perfect.
There's no way that these are the original cabinets. I think that somebody replaced these cabinets in the last 5 or 7 years.
Absolutely.
They're awesome cabinets. Would you even paint these, or would you just throw hardware on them?
I would actually spray them white, throw some hardware on them. I want to keep these appliances, in my opinion. I think they're in good shape.
Okay.
You know, we may switch these out to steel, take out the fridge and not do a fridge, so that's a thing. But this kitchen looks like it's in very good shape. We change all the lighting in here. We're going to change that carpet. We're going to change the carpet in here as well. Again, update the lighting, paint the interior. This bathroom looks pretty decent as well. I believe we'll keep all of this. We'll probably resurface that so it's fresher. Paint everything. We're going to keep this vanity We're gonna keep the mirrors. We're gonna take away the Beetlejuice wall, and that's about it in here. Over here, same. Paint, lighting, carpet.
This is so easy.
That bathroom is easy peasy, right? This vanity's in good shape. And look, there's even a poo closet and a little 3/4.
I love this.
Yeah, 1.75 bath.
I'm not joking. I think this is for sure under $5,000 budget.
You think so?
Yeah, I mean, you've got here's the thing. My guys, I don't know who you guys are end up hiring. I would be $1,500 for paint. I'd be probably $1,000 for the carpet. I'd be $600 for all the outlets and switches. And it'd be $600 for probably painting the cabinets, and then $200 for the hardware for it.
Yep.
And then I'd be a final clean. AstroTurf is probably $400. Yeah, I mean, I'm under $5,000 easy on this project.
Okay, it's yours, 5,000. Done.
Dude, we'll have the guys do it.
Let's go.
This is an easy one.
Easy job.
Yes.
I think Bobby Coleslaw, you're gonna make some money, and I want to be at the album release party in return, bro.
I love it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. You guys need anything else?
We're done. I'm Pace Morby, and this was another episode of The Real Deal. Jamil.
You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever.